Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be taking a look at a treatment that can potentially make your hair system feel better and last longer. This is something that I found from outside of the hair system world, something that women are using occasionally that actually looks like it really helps when it comes to making their hair look better and feel better. So this is something called hair Botox. Before we begin though, shout out to Lord Hair for sponsoring this video. If you want to get your first system with a discount, use the code down below, but let's just jump back into the video, shall we? So hair Botox is a treatment that involves depositing keratin onto the strands of hair that we have. So there's a lot of great videos out there. I'm gonna show you some of them and we'll talk about it. All right, so this is this lady's before. If we look at her hair dry, so that's what it looks like, okay? Now let's go over to the end right here. We can see that there's a dramatic effect in the curliness and the shine and the sheen of her hair. All right, so this is another woman that's used this hair Botox. So we can see her hair right here. I'm just gonna jump to the transformation. So this is immediately after the partial results, and what happens after you use it, it actually straightens out your hair somewhat. It makes it straighten, but after you wash it after a couple days, you do kind of go back to your natural wave or curl. So let's just listen to what she thinks.
The first thing I have to say is that my hair feels very smooth. It feels very nice, and overall I really like the effect of it. It looks shinier and it feels softer, and it also smells great. Like, it smells amazing. This product has a really nice smell, but because it doesn't have the special ingredient that makes your hair straight, it's not straight at all. I don't have any of straightening effect or anything like that. That's nice.
This is something I actually want to try out because like I just see over and over in these reviews that women are saying that their hair feels better. And I noticed that there is a better sheen to it. There's a better quality to it. It looks less frizzy, which seems to be like a consistent theme. So this is something I do want to try. If you guys want me to try it, leave a comment down below, like the video. Let me know that you want me to buy it, because I mean, it does cost money, but I'd be happy to do it for an experiment if you guys want to see. So this is another woman who is about to use some hair Botox, so we can see what she's got going on right here. And then let's just take a brief look at the after effect. So we can see that it just has a much better shine to it, looks much smoother, which, keep in mind, like straightening your hair can also kind of give it a smoother finish to it and make it look healthier. But really the feel, which isn't, I can't judge how her hair feels because I'm not there. But that's like one of the biggest factors. I think all of us have felt in the past what it's like to have our hair systems just get like really coarse and not feel good on our head. So this right here is the treatment that I think is something we need to try out. It's something that I think I need to explore, and I'm probably gonna buy it. Let me know if you guys want me to do that. But shout out to Lord Hair for sponsoring this video. Anyways, see you guys soon.